Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the front fan, remove the latches on the side cover to lift it off the system. Find and unlatch the air shroud to remove it. Identify the PCIe holder and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and remove the holder from the system. Identify the front fan and remove the screw. Disconnect the cables and remove the fan from the system. Unlatch the fan from the holder to remove it. To reinstall the front fan, relatch it to the holder and place it back in the system. Reconnect the cables and install the screw to secure it. Relatch and place the PCIe holder back in the system. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the air shroud. Relatch the side cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.